All right, which allele is most likely the cancer-associated allele? Well, red dots are homozygous CC, and green dots, which I don't even see any of here, are homozygous TT. But the heterozygous is CT, and we see a few of those orange dots here. So that must mean that the allele for T is far less prevalent here, which the less prevalent allele in this case is going to be associated with the cancer-causing allele, right? We don't have this many people proportionally with cancer compared to this many people, but the opposite, right? So the more rare allele is going to be associated with the disease-causing phenotype.